Here we go. Let's go ahead and solve this. So in the last video, we created this equation, the 3x plus 30, or 3 equals 30. Now let's go ahead and solve it and see how to actually work this one out. So the first thing I'm going to do again, I want to isolate my term, my 3x. So I'm going to drag my circle on top of my 3x there. So I'm going to isolate it. Now right beside it, I want to get rid of this number right here. And so how do I get rid of a positive 3? Well, I turn it into a minus 3. So I'm going to drag over minus 3 underneath it, and that will cancel it out. Now remember, once it's gone from the left-hand side. Also, keep in mind that there is an imaginary line going down through the equal sign, splitting it in half on the left and right side. So that if I subtract by 3 over here, so if I subtract by 3 over here with this one that I just put in there, on the right-hand side, I'm also going to have to do that same thing. So I'm going to bring over my minus 3 onto this side over here. And so now I've got 30 minus 3. Okay, I can actually perform this operation. 30 minus 3 is 27. So I will bring down my 27 and make that number right there. The next thing I want to do is I want to make sure to bring down my equal sign right here. So this is going to be my equal sign. I'm going to bring it down. You always want to bring it down, so we'll put it right there. And then we look to see what we have left. I also have this 3x, so I want to bring down the 3x as well because I haven't used it yet. So I'll just bring down 3 and my x right up there. And so now here is my new problem. 3x equals 27. Okay, I want to isolate the x now, so I want to keep it alone. And right beside the x is my 3. And when two things are side by side, when they're touching one another, they multiply. So what I want to do is the opposite, which is to divide. So I'm going to bring down my division symbol here, my fraction bar. I'm going to divide this side by 3, and it cancels it out. But again, if I divide by 3 on the left side, I also have to divide by 3 on the right side. So I'm going to bring my other 3 over. And so my new operation on the right-hand side now is 27 divided by 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. I still have my equal sign there. But again, what you'll notice over here, my 3's, they're going to cancel out because they're opposites, they're inverses. And all that's going to be left then is going to be this x by himself. He's isolated. He's alone. That's good. We want that. So that we're going to bring down the x now. There's nothing else beside my x. And so your final answer is x equals 9.